constantly we're worried Islam is under attack. Why do you have polygamy in Islam? Why do you have these violent verses in the Quran? Why do you do this and why do you do that and why do you do the other? You know what? It's time to turn the tables on that conversation. Why do you have no purpose in life? Why don't your youth look like our youth? Why don't your families enjoy the harmony that our families enjoy? Why don't you come enjoy the beauty of life that we've come to see? We're going to turn the tables on this. We're going to be the ones asking the questions. Why do you live with injustice and not speak up against it? Why do you not build communities that build strong youth? We're going to be the destruction of the alcohol industry, not because we're going to pass fatwas that it's haram, Allah already did that for us, but because we're going to expose its evils and the evils it gives birth to. We're going to educate the people about things that bring them harm. This is not just something that brings the Muslim harm, it brings society harm. And Islam came to save people from harm, even the non-Muslims. We will be the education. We have to think like that.